Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mansa, and today I just want to take you guys along on what my Saturdays look like. Now, mind you, each weekend is different, but I use my weekends to typically meal prep, get on with the kids' hair every other weekend and all the good stuff. So join me today and just see how my weekend goes. So it is a beautiful morning. The sun is out and I like to sleep in, by the way. So my earliest I would get up is maybe 9-10 o'clock because my weekdays are pretty early. I wake up at 5:45 a.m. So this is me making breakfast. Today I just had some scrambled eggs with veggies and mushrooms, and we love it so much, and we're gonna have it with toast, of course. And my kids are allergic to meat, so I make turkey bacon for them and they have it with their fruits. That's what everybody typically has because they cannot also have eggs. So that's what we do, and once I get everybody settled with breakfast, I move on to lunch. Now on this particular day, I had to make a big pot of jollof rice. I say like a big pot. I had to cook about 14 cups of rice, and this is just me making it. Now, by the way, I don't have to cook this much every weekend. This was for a particular group of people, that's why. But typically all I cook for myself and my husband, as far as jollof rice, is less than half of this quantity. So that's why I said every weekend is different. So just keep on watching. You guys are enjoying the music and the video, and if you do, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. So right now my jollof rice is at the tail end. I'm just gonna cover it up and let it steam up, and voila, this was it. It was done, and this was enough to fill up a full tray of aluminum foil. So now I am going ahead and frying some plantains. So good. Plantains and jollof rice pairs so beautifully, especially if you also add like a side of coleslaw. for, more veggies. So delicious. So this is just me transferring all of the food out of the pot. And then I am going to go ahead and also make some goat meat pepper soup. And just like that, our goat pepper soup is done. What you see, those green stuff is just fresh basil that I added at the end. I like it really light because once it cools down, it will thicken up. And after all, it's soup. So good. And I'm just going to let it cut off the fire. And then I will move on to one of my toddler's hair. Today was hair day, so I get to wash, condition, do all of that good stuff. Her hair is so beautiful, so healthy. I just love taking care of it. I have never cut her hair since she was born, not even once. And I like to do this twice a month. And then that was it. Now, I also had to make food for the kids. So I always make 2 different meals for them. I try. So I had to make spaghetti and maybe the next day or so because I didn't have time this day. It was already late. I would also make some okra soup because that's their favorite. And they will have this throughout the week together with other things that they want to have like pizza. And yeah, all I have to do now is shower, get the dishes done, and just spend time with the family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.
Bobby, promise not to test your heart. Never. We just can't be kept apart. Yeah, yeah.